Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Journal from Abroad. Today I'll be showing you how to use crochet techniques to make such kind of ball. So to make this ball, you are going to require a yarn, a hook, some stitch markers, a scissor and a tapestry needle. When it comes to yarn, I am using an acrylic yarn because that is the most beginner friendly yarn, and over here on the package it shows that mm crochet hook, but instead of 5.5 mm I am going to use a 4 mm crochet hook because I need such a kind of a tight knits. To make tight knits, we have to use one level down of the measurement which is already given on the hook. So let's get started. Okay, so we start by making a slip knot. So I pull the yarn from the inside and not this outer wrapping. So I pull it around 6 inches or so, and then what I need to do is I just wrap it around my finger like this twice, and you hold the finger from between the thumb and the middle finger, the rest of the yarn, and now you bring the back loop forward like this. So you bring that loop forward all over your index finger and pull the yarn on the index finger with the like this, and there you have the slip knot. The first thing that you do before you start a crochet. So now we take our hook, hold it like this, go inside the loop and adjust the loop, the slip knot as per the size of your hook, which should be around this size. Now that we are good with the slip knot, we can start making a chain stitch. So how do you hold your yarn? Okay, we take the working yarn, wrap it around it, our small finger once, then get it back over here. With the middle finger and the thumb, you are supposed to hold it. Hold your knot so that it does not get twisted or turned. Under the working yarn, turn it over towards you. Just pull through the loop. That's how we made our first stitch. This is our first stitch.
Now that we have made 23 chain stitches, we will start with a new stitch called a single crochet stitch. For that, we will skip the first V and insert the hook in the second V. Now we have 2 loops on the hook right now. Put the yarn under and pull through just the first loop, so that we are again left with 2 loops on the hook. Yarn under, pull through the entire thing, so we are left with just 1 loop on the hook, and that is our single crochet stitch done. We are supposed to make 22 single crochet stitches followed by 1 single chain stitch at the end, and then we will flip. We will continue this process to make 5 rows. I will show this one more time. Under the V, yarn under, pull through, yarn under again and pull through the entire both the loops. Second single crochet stitch done.
So this is a single crochet. So we are going to be making 22 of these. 1, 2, 3, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we make 2 such rings, and before we make the third one, we need to lay it flat. And now what we do is we put one in the other like this. So this is almost like a ball, and with this we put this inside of it and pull this guy from over here, and the one with the lower tail like this.
Here.
So this is how our ball is gonna look after we add the stuffing. There's some more, and we'll just fit in. And just make sure that no stuffing is free on the outside. And now we're going to leave it. Take the tapestry needle and we take this, tighten it, we take this, this loop, and tight, take this, the white loop,
Now we put it in the stuffing and pull out from the other side and pull through the entire thing tightly. We will cut off this tail and with the needle push through any remainder of the tail into the stuffing, and now we have our ball ready. Adjust the complete thing, and now we are ready with our ball. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.